Good morning, YouTubers! Well, here we are sitting at the side of the wood stove because at this moment it's not very good weather to work outside on the carport because it's been raining the last few days. It was Saturday, the last day that I could do something on the carport. I am sanding off and putting a varnish. It was very beautiful, the part that I could do, but well, then Sunday it started raining, and so we are inside the house with the family, enjoying the warmth of the wood stove and maintaining that. The only thing that I could do was buying me a tool. That's this plane. I'm very happy with it. Works by hand. Very useful. So when the weather will be a bit better, we are going to try that out. And well, at the moment it's dry, but well, everything still is wet, so that's not the best weather to do sanding, and that's the process I'm in today. So, well, I can show you outside the difference. Here it's sanded and the water stays like drops, and here it's not sanded and it's starting to get green. Ooh. Well, I hope we get some better days in the weekend, they say, and Sunday the weather will be better. So now we're doing other things in the house and around the house, but have to be with patience. So hasta la próxima.